What is up, YouTube? Back for another quick video on the 24 Bronco. Today we're going to be installing some new gloss black grill letter covers. Alright guys, so I've been debating on going back and forth whether I wanted to make the grill letters black or leave them white. I don't mind them white, but I kind of want that darker look now. So I was going to go with the vinyl that just went directly over here and kept the white outline, but I thought it might look a little too cheap. So I found these overlays that are like plastic covers. They're painted gloss black and they're going to completely cover over the entire letter. I did find them on eBay and I want to say they were about $20 or so. So we're just going to go over it real quick. We're going to clean all of these letters really well with some alcohol. Then you're just going to peel off the 3M backing, which you can see right here on the back of the letters, stick them on, and we'll see how it looks. So let's get to it. Alright guys, and there you have it. Letters are all on, nice and sturdy. You can see they fully cover all the letters, the complete covers for it, which is what I liked. You don't see the outline of the white. I'll drop the link below. Let me know what you guys think. Thanks for watching.